Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to sign into Playstore on iPhone. Step 1. Unlock your iPhone. Unlock your iPhone and go to the home screen. Step 2. Understand the limitation. The Google Play Store is not available on iPhone. It only works on Android device. Step 3. Know why it's not available. iPhones use Apple App Store, not the Google Play Store. So you cannot download or sign into the Play Store app on iPhone. Step 4. Use a website browser instead. If you need to access your Google account, open Safari or any browser on your iPhone. Step 5. Go to Google Play website. In the address bar, tap play.google.com and tap Go. Step 6. Tap Sign In. On the top right, tap Sign In. Step 7. Enter your Google account details. Enter your Google email address, then tap Next. Enter your password and tap Next again. Step 8. Complete verification. If Google asks for verification, follow the on-screen steps. Step 9. Access your account. You can now view apps, subscriptions, movies, books and account settings linked to Google Play. And that's it. And that's how to access and sign into your Google Play account on iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.